Hello everyone, today I'll be showing that how to do wiring of an elevator outdoor and call button. This is the number one options. We are using this wire for a measurement. This is the number two options for the door contact. This wire use it for the telephone. And now this is the brown color wire for using for every floor earthing, and this two wire for door contact. One come to the directly ground floor and one come to the door contact for every floor. So now we'll be seeing all of wire and all of point part by part for every floor right now. This is wire use it for the door contact. Now we'll be showing all of part by part, and this is the options. Another, every floor have two options, one options for the call button and one options for the door contact. We have just used this telephone wire for marked and measurement for keeping the wire of door contact and call button. One by one floor will be showing right now. Yes, look at that. Every floor have two options, and this come from the control box from the machine room. This is where come to the machine room, and this is yellow wire using for every floor for the call button. Every floor have separate one call button wire, and we have just keep this is yellow wire for every floor and mark it with number. Now I'll be seeing that the mark. How can we do mark with a knife? Now I'll be seeing that, and we are keeping more wire because we have to use that easily. That will be more better. Yes, just keeping all of mark with this is where this is now number two floor. We have marked 2. Yes, we can see right now that every mark and everywhere for their separate work, and we'll be showing part by part because we have to just set up. This is the floor 1. Have one floor have two options. We have just said that one floor have two options. One options is for the call button and one options for the door contact. We can see every floor have two options, call button and door contact. You can see because we have just keep this is all of wire for door button and door contact. Yes, you can see right now this is 3 wire. One come to the main directly ground floor for the door contact, and one will become to the door by connecting, and one for earthing. We can see right now. We can see, and one for using for earthing, and we can see right now this is and now we'll be seeing that this wire will be connected for every floor for loop for every floor. Yes, we can see right now that how to loop with every floor. This is wire for connecting every terminal, and now we'll be opening this as options. At first we'll be showing this is options. This is the telephone using for telephone. This is wire, and this is 7 yellow wire for using for every call button for every floor, and we have just marked it with knife. Every floor have this is options for call button, and that will be using for the display of call button also ABCD. We can see, yes, every floor have this connected with the loop, and this is the plus minus option for the call button. This is the number 1 point, and this is the just will be showing the number 1 point have been finished for call button everywhere for call button wiring, and the second option for the door contact. Every floor have 2 options, call button and door contact. This is the call button options. Now we'll be opening all of wire, and we'll be saying all of parts of wire that working with separate work right now. We're just opening right now the all of wire, and we'll be saying, look at that. We are just keeping one by one. This is the plus minus options we have set connected with every floor, and this is the call button for every floor have with mark, and plus minus options for every floor also, and loop, you can see that for every call button I have this as loop plus minus options. And right now call button for every floor, this every floor have this yellow wire for every call button, and that will be the display. Yes, display have this is connected with loop for every floor right now, and we have just completed for the call button for every floor. Yes, every floor have these options. This is the call button for every floor, and that will plus minus options for every call button, and that will be the door contact and earthing for every floor, and that will be the telephone, and that will be using for the display every work.